Hello, I'm here today. I'm gonna install my extension cord with 2 plugs on it. That way I can charge my battery and my engine heater all at the same time. So I got this McTuning AC port plug off of Amazon, and it's basically a extension cord plug to put in your bumper, and it's got this nice little rubber cap to keep it nice and clean when things get dirty. And it says basically you need a 2-inch hole cut. I found a place on my bumper. So I was having a little bit of difficulty figuring out where I might put it to make it easy access, and I actually found a spot right here underneath on the bumper, and I'm going to make the flap go up. That way it hopefully stays in place and doesn't fall out. And I have enough room behind here to put the cord, and the cord will go up and around. All right, I got the hole drilled. I went ahead and went through the other rubber underneath just so the cord can stay up back behind there. All right, so I got my plug in, and I decided to put the flap on the bottom. That way it was out of the way as I when I opened it to plug it in. And I'll get some screws put in there. But here's my cables. I'm gonna feed those up into the engine bay next to the battery up top, and then we'll plug it in. All right, so I finally got it installed. I have just 2 screws in here because the other side was past the plastic back here. I might put another screw in the corner here into the rubber back there. But as you can see, there's my plug. There's my nice little cover. And now I can plug in 2 things at once. I'll show you up top. All right, here's the top. I ran those cables up through there. And so I got both cords right here. One is for the engine block heater, and the other one is for my charger. Now they can be nice tucked away right here, keep my hood closed, and be able to just plug in one cable and heat and charge my battery.